morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds jumping and I hear my name.
Hello everyone, I joined Istanbul Expat community like 10 months ago, and it's my second time I'm attending this kind of workshop with the mud and ceramic, and it was very fun and I love it. And also I made many friends from different parts of the world, from many countries, and we had a fun. It was nice.
We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a walk.
Hi, my name is Victoria. It's my first time in the Istanbul Expat community. I love the group, I love the people, and it's my first time, so I hope that we're gonna do many more activities furthermore. Thank you, bye bye.
Light is gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young.
Hello, my name is Lorena. I'm a volunteer at Istanbul Expat community. We can also join this kind of activities. We make some ceramics today and it was great. We were a lot of people just having fun, making some work which we will continue in 2 weeks. So it's really good. I encourage people to join Istanbul Expat because it's great, it's fun, and these activities are sometimes not that easy to find. So thank you so much.
Let's all take a walk. Savannah.